What's up guys, Matt Steffanina back with another tutorial today, and this is to Justin Bieber, Ed Sheeran, I don't care. Now usually I wait until the videos get to 50,000 likes to film a tutorial for you guys, but lately you've been getting to 50,000 likes in like one day, and I'm so confident that this one will do the same. Then I'm filming a tutorial right after we just shot the video. This one is so fun, I love this song. I might try to make a music cover of it. We'll see if that happens, no promises. But I got a couple announcements real quick. First of all, merch is finally back. I know it's been like a year since I've had anything out, and I just wanted to make sure I got it all right, and it was something that I was super proud of. This is one of the new pieces. We've also got crop hoodies, joggers, hats, all kinds of dope stuff on the site. So make sure you check out the link in the description below. And also, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do. I'm trying to drop new tutorials every week for you guys, sometimes even more often. And of course, find me on Instagram as well. And especially if you're uploading cover videos of you dancing the choreography, we repost a bunch of you guys on epic dance videos. Every chance I get, I'm on Instagram checking you guys out. So please post your covers, tag us, support each other. If you see somebody else covering a routine, encourage them, comment on their stuff too. This is all about community and coming together. If you guys are ready, let's get to the tutorial right now. All right guys, so first thing we're gonna start off, you're gonna be kind of down like this, and you're gonna pull up on the 1, and it's this sound that's like a ding sort of sound. Then we're gonna switch to the lyrics. Now, don't judge me, I am probably gonna get all the lyrics wrong for this entire song. It's just to help me teach you and get the timing, but it goes something like, don't think we fit in at this party. Good. Now, I know that was a lot, so let's go back. So the first thing you do after you pull up is your knee goes in, out, and then I'm bringing my right hand on top to my chest, my left hand to the bottom of my stomach, and I'm gonna bring my hands around like this. Then you're gonna bring that back leg, your right leg in as you come up to your head, and then he's gonna say, party. So it's like 3 syllables that you're sort of bouncing off of. So this is par, you go back, R, you go forward, T, you snake this through. 2 bases, you're gonna go tap, tap, pull that up twice, and then you're gonna take your head around to the right to drop down, and then you're gonna come up here. So when you're doing this, it's almost like your head is tracing this shape of your arm across your chest. So you're like, whoop, and then you drop down, up on bass, bass. You're gonna go roll this down, your right hand is here, to come out with your elbows, to come up to your mouth. He says something like, but we got so much to say, is what you're catching here. So you're rolling down, your elbows go out to your mouth, and then you push this around all the way to here. And I'm showing like the back of my hand, zoop. And then this is like a body wave little section. You're gonna take your right hand on top of your left. You're gonna go here, and I'm gonna roll my hands around. If you guys do my tutorials, you know I use this type of move a lot. You're gonna body wave down. You're gonna push your hips across, and then you're gonna release this arm up. So it feels like a lot slow, but what's actually happening from here, your left foot's in front, is you're going hands, body wave around, woo, and it's all gonna sort of flow together. Then you're only gonna do this left hand. You're just gonna go ta, ta, and if you have a partner, you can kind of interact with them on this if you want. Click, click. Then he's gonna say up. He's not gonna say up. He's gonna say sorry. You're gonna take your hands up. So you're releasing here, and then you're gonna drop down to the right, to the left, and you're gonna bounce off that to come in, to come up. Now I'm gonna go back from the top in a second, but I'm gonna just give you a couple more counts to get you the first half, and I promise we'll clean it all up. Now, when you go here, zing, zing, bounce it around. Top, when you jump your feet out, you can either go here. This is where I went. Trinity, who I was dancing with, she did like a girlier version here. And I actually put my hand on her shoulder too, and I kind of pushed her into this next groove. So you have a lot of options depending on what you're feeling and if you're dancing in a group or solo. But the idea, everyone's doing the same groove. You're taking your knees forward, you're going knees, and that releases your body. So it's like a body wave forward, basically. You're going knees, hips, stomach, chest, shoulders. Then you're gonna pull to drop down. Your hand comes to your mouth. You come up, and then you're turning your head. And if you have a partner, this is a really good spot to turn and like look at your partner. If you don't, you can either just knock to the side, or what some people did when they did it solo is went whoop and turned their head took their head around in a circle. So that's an option 2. And then all you do is go, I don't. And that sets us up for the chorus. He says, I don't care. All right, I know that was 1,000 dance steps. So here's what we're going to do. Go back slowly from the top and put it all together. And then once you have this first half, like all the way through, like I'm going to do it right now, you can just keep rewinding it until you get it. So from the top, you go 6, 7, 8, bing, don't think we fit in at this party. This goes top, top, boom. Top, top, got so much to say. He says, oh yeah. Then there's a top, top right here. He says, sorry. Top, set up, boom. But think that it's okay. But I don't. And then we go into the chorus where it drops. All right, so like I said, rewind that as many times as you need. It's a little tricky with the timing, but remember you can always reference back to the dance video where we do it with the music, and that'll really help you get the timing down. Now for the chorus, energy changes a little bit. It's gonna be more upbeat, and this is my favorite part of the dance. It's super fun. So you just did I don't. You're gonna step on your right foot, your hands are gonna roll up on care. You're gonna go here and. So I'm starting with my left hand in front. I'm just bringing my knees out, my hands open here. Then I'm gonna go twice on my left foot. I'm gonna go groove and out, in. I'm gonna scoop down to go grab up. So this whole first part, it goes 7, I don't care, ta, ta, with my scoop, down, up. Then you're gonna release back. You're just gonna go bass and pull this open. Then he says like disappear. You're gonna go dissa, same sort of move we did earlier in the routine. You're gonna come around. That's gonna set you up to go ooh, and you're gonna push that right leg around. So he says something like make the bad days disappear. You're bringing this here. You're gonna step back on your right. He's gonna say making me feel like. So we're catching lyrics again. This is making me. I'm just going like this, da, 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 high and low. Making me, you come to your right shoulder, feel like. Then he says like none of these, another like triple sort of sound. You're gonna go right, left, right. And I'm just walking up my chest, D, 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 none of these. Then you pull this knee back to step behind, and he's gonna say somebody. And I'm just letting my arms do like a wave forward, and same sort of groove with my body so that it matches the vibe of my arms. So you do 2 of these, somebody, you bring your knee up here, and as you do, your arms are gonna shoot, come up here. You're gonna look to the side, and your knee turns in, and then you're gonna catch this right here into fists. Then you're gonna come around. He's gonna say something about the bad nights. So you're gonna think like go to sleep, and this is gonna come in here, and then you're gonna roll it towards your body, shoot, and bring it to the other side. So this timing here, go from making me feel like, it goes, making me feel like ta, 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 me and somebody. You prep, this goes ta, ta, bad, you come down, nights. Then this is just like a fun little groove. You're gonna go to the right first, you're gonna go fists, then you're gonna push, then you're gonna step out to pull in. And then this is the really like falsetto, the high pitch where it's like do, 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 do. So that's your rhythm. You did pull in, you're going right, left, out. You flick this hand down, just your heels move over, then your hand's gonna come through this hole to your mouth. This arm is gonna come around this other one, and you're gonna end up here, almost like you're hugging yourself. So let's do that again, it's a little tricky. You going right, left, step, hand, heels through this hole, around this arm. Then he's gonna say, yeah, 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 3 times. You're gonna go, yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's basically just a broken down body wave, right? The first one is your head, second one is your chest, third one is your hips, and then freestyle, because you made it to the end. Good job, killing it. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, that's all dope, but can we go back and put it together? Yes, we can. We're gonna go from the chorus and do that so that you have the first section as a piece, you have the second section as a piece, and then once we got those, boom, we're putting it together. Here you go. From 6, 7, I don't care, ta, ta, with my baby. Click and release, disappear. And you're making me feel like none of these. You, somebody, up, down, and ta. Roll it when I'm with my baby, yeah. Da, shoom. Yeah. Nice. So that's a little taste of the rhythm. Obviously, it's a lot faster than that, but you start to hear this, right? Yeah. It's quick. So just know that this step is really important, and this set right here. That's why that's here. I don't go here and then just slide back in. I go ooh, because you have to be able to go And the last detail with that'll really help make this look cleaner is when you do this third step, look at your hand. Stay here. Woo, then bring your focus back to the front, and that'll make that read really big. All right, you guys are killing it. Let's go from the top. Put the whole thing together with my bad lyrics, plus a couple sound effects and counts. We're in this together. I got you guys. Starting on this one, you go 6, 7, 8, 1. Don't think we fit in at this party. Ta, boom. Click, got so much to say. Oh yeah, down, you. 2, 3, ta, sorry. Click, boom. Think it, Chorus, I don't care. Ta, with my tick, boom. Click, bad days disappear. And making me feel like none of these. Somebody, ooh, ta, around and ha. When I'm with my baby, yeah. Ooh, yeah. And a little freestyle, maybe a couple grooves. Old Town Road, what's that? Did you guys learn that routine yet? Hey, bring it back. All right, anyway, good job. That's the slow version, right? That's like 75% speed. So if that's still a challenge for you, stay there for a while. Do that a few more times. But I want you to go to this next version, which is going to be all the way up to tempo, a little sooner than you feel ready. Don't do the slow one like 100 times until you have it perfect. Do it like 2 or 3. Be like, okay, kind of got it, sort of. Cool. Now challenge yourself and try a full speed with me right now. Here's what we're going to do. Deep breath to center ourselves. Okay. Trying to channel all the Justin Bieber lyrics into my body. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. Don't think we fit in at this party. Ta, boom. Ta, got so much to say. Oh yeah, and zoom. 2, 3, ta, sorry. Ta, boom. Ta, and look, 'cause I don't care. Ta, with my TDU. Make it disappear. And making me up, down, D, ha, and ha. I set, click, dun, nights. When I'm with my E, and yeah. Ta, shoom, got a, yeah. Freestyle, 'cause you made it to the end and you in. Wow, that was a big, whoa, that was terrible. All right, guys, great job today. You made it all the way through the routine. Remember, practice it as many times as you need. Of course, I always try to give you guys a little bit of a challenge, but this routine is so fun once you get it down. Definitely want to see your covers, and also don't forget, new merch is officially dropped. It's going to be available for a limited time, so check the links in the bio. Let me know in the comments what combos you guys want to learn next, and I'll see you back in the studio real soon. That was weird. It was like a peace sign on this hand, and let's just go with this. Yeah.